What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna go to a car meet right now, and I'm blocked. There is a cop right behind me, but it's not because I got pulled over. I guess somebody ran over some guy down across the street from me, and I was on my way out, and they just caught right behind me. So anyways, I'm gonna head over to Gilroy right now, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I made it. It's a full fucking house. Let me adjust this real quick. Full house, packed here, this side, that side, like 3 rows all the way down. So yeah, what's up with this dude? It's a fucking full house. So it's kind of windy, so I don't know how the footage is going to be or how the audio is going to be. So I'm going to try to walk around and give you guys some nice cinematics of a nice little cars like I usually do. So let's roll the cinematics. Talk shit on my face.
Ya no hacen de 6 cilindros de moto, puro 4 y 8 no.
No, qué boost.
Don't drop that clutch! Come on, break! On the fucking way! Push him!
Clean one, brother. Clean one.
Yeah,
Give me some. Yeah, hell yeah. Dipping. I'm telling you guys, this is Fast and the Furious type of stuff. Let me see if my brother cleared. Yee. Hold on. Everybody's dipping. Go, go, go. Everybody spreading like butter. Alright guys, it is time to head home because everybody left and I'm by myself right now. Cops are gone, parking lot's empty, no more shenanigans going on right now. I hate this. Let me adjust this. Sorry. No more shenanigans going on. Cops are gone, and everybody's gone. I just stayed because I meant fuel of you guys, new subscribers. Shout out to you guys. You already know. Let's make this channel grow. Anyways, I'm having trouble adjusting this shit. Let's make this channel grow, and yeah. All right, I park on the other side, kind of far side, so we can just hop on the whip and dip. All right, the car meet's done. Everything's done. Everybody's gone. So I gotta go home because I have a child to go to. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The end is here. It is what it is. I'll pick up the camera some other day, but like I said, I'm gonna end it here because everybody's gone and I have a long drive home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let me know what you think about this whole thing on the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys until the next one. Peace out.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I deceptively reach inside of my mind and take whatever's left of me. A soul dissecting me, yeah, a well-known enemy, ever changing the man that I was for, my true identity, yo. Check out my pedigree, full bitches and readily, rule rhythms and melodies, full bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life, a given memory, time, soon as ending it, while we living selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain, pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age, everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.